fuck is that? Now let's say this is the vortex, right? It's a vortex. This is our vortex. This is our frame of reference, and this is where the ejaculation. This is where the ejaculation comes out, right? So
wait, we gotta videotape this. Somebody,
it's coming out at a. I got this.
So now we have a graph here, and this is our we have an error. So we have sigma 1, sigma 2, 3 sigma, and 4 sigma. To see where we have an error for our velocity, or where we determine where our the velocity of where we should be at. So we have yk equal to square root n minus nk, n sub k squared over x minus 1.
Wait, where did you get that equation from?
That's the equation for what you figure out what the error should be for anything that you're doing, the standard deviation for masturbation. In this case, for masturbation.
Let him finish. Your questions at the end.
So this is our formula for standard deviation for masturbation in this case. Then we have sigma sub k over v, right? This is what I derived from here. That's just the brainchild of that whole diagram. Is equal to m sub p times d, which is the density times c squared, which is the speed of light. This is the fastest speed that I can think of. Then we have here the summation from n equals 1 to infinity of sigma sub k times L, the length of it, times cosine at what angle, omega minus 1. So at whatever angle minus 1, the minus 1 comes from, I forget. And then you divide that by n, where n is equal to mc squared over square root 1 minus x. And then we have here, where I come to the velocity. There's a whole lot of other things that happens here, but mainly happens up here, you know what I'm saying? So we have v sub I, v sub j, v sub k. In the I direction is on the x-axis. So the speed at which you should masturbate would be 0 revolutions per second. Then in the j direction, which is the y-axis, would be 2.52 revolutions per second. And in the k direction, which is in and out, depends on what angle you masturbate in, which is where this cosine omega minus 1 comes in. That is 50 revolutions per second, assuming that omega is negligible, omega minus 1 is negligible, and it's equal to pi over 2, which is along the x-axis.
Question.
Yes?
So, what defines a revolution?
Revolution. It is the...
Show them a demonstration, please.
Well, I can draw a picture for you. So, let's see, this is our frame of reference, right? And the revolution would be this whole torsional strain that we have upon this arrow. So basically, these whole notches right here would give us our torsional strain. The frame of reference from here to here would give us our angular strain. Depending on what angle you choose.
So what's the optimal angle?
The optimal angle that you want? I would say, I would probably suggest 90 degrees. 90 degrees perpendicular from wherever you are erect or standing. Not your member, but you yourself are erect.
So the hand job basically the same concept too.
Yeah, you can apply the same concept to a hand job, except it depends on the woman. You have to add a factor in there because the woman, well, assuming she's a woman, whatever your preference.
The body.
The other body needs to be taken into account into the calculation for the I'm on camera. Okay, so I'm done.
So, Joseph, YouTube it. Or Facebook at first.
Yeah, he's definitely got to send that video.